Dodge Grand Caravan 2008 to 2020 3.3 engine. The ABS control module is located on the right side under the hood. To replace it, disconnect the harness connector, unscrew the hoses, unscrew one mounting bolt on the left side, use a pry bar to push the module up and replace it with a new one.